Do historic districts increase or decrease the value of homes? Many buyers are drawn to the charm and character of historic homes and neighborhoods. The architectural beauty and sense of community can be a big selling point. Historic designation helps protect the architectural integrity of the neighborhood, preventing demolition and ensuring a consistent aesthetic. By definition, there's a limited number of homes in a historic district. This scarcity can drive up prices due to higher demand. Studies have shown a range in increases from 5 to 20% in property values. But before you buy that gorgeous 200-year-old Victorian, you better consider this. Living in a historic district means adhering to specific guidelines for renovations and alterations. This can add costs and limit some customization options, which might be a turnoff for some people. Historic homes require specialized upkeep and restoration, which can be really expensive. Overall, historic districts tend to be a positive influence on property value. If you are considering buying in a historic district, weigh the potential benefits and drawbacks and see if it aligns with your needs and preferences. I'm Dawn D'Amico. If you're searching for a partner and advocate to provide you with the best experience, call me today or click the link to connect.